What if your action camera fails when you need it most? In this video, we listed the 4 best camera, testing resolution, stabilization, battery life, and even dropping them from 10 feet, asterisk. The results? One camera dominated, and another? A total disaster. Skip the regret, links are below. Let's roll. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the latest addition to the GoPro Hero series. While it shares a lot of features, and looks almost exactly like the Hero 10, it does have more than a few improvements that are worth noting. While it's currently the best spec'd GoPro, depending on your needs, the improvements on the Hero 11 can either be trivial or downright game-changing. As an underwater camera, the 11 does an amazing job at depths down to 10 meters, without any housing. Go beyond that and housing and red light filters are needed to compete with the more premium options. But, it can do it. The GoPro Hero 11 Black's most noteworthy feature is its new sensor. The Hero 11 boasts an impressive 1/1.9 CMOS sensor that makes the camera more versatile than ever. The sensor allows users to shoot in 8:7 aspect ratio, which in turn allows for a greater vertical field of view than the Hero 11's predecessor, 16% better, to be exact. This makes it ideal for vloggers and social media content creators who prefer to shoot vertically oriented video. It is important to note that footage captured in 8:7 aspect ratio can be cropped to 9:16, 1:1, and 16:9 in post, without losing any quality. Number 2. Insta360 X3 Bike Kit. X3 captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video, so you'll never miss the action. Choose your favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing tools in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Dual 1/2-inch 48MP sensors, X3's new sensors pack in more pixels for greater clarity and detail, even in low light. Capture 72MP photos, 8K time-lapses, and more. 4K single-lens mode, select the lens to shoot wide-angle footage just like a single-lens action cam. Get maximum resolution with 4K 30fps or an extremely wide 170 degrees field of view with 2.7K max view. Your first-person view footage has never looked so good. Flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. Flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. Impossible third-person view. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens with X3 makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. While the expression "out with the old, in with the new" may hold water in most cases, there are a number of reasons why the GoPro Hero 9 Black is still a viable choice in 2025. The most obvious one is this: it's basically the Hero 10 minus the GP2 processor. As such, it's a great option for those who want a feature-packed GoPro but aren't necessarily looking for the highest frame rates, which, unless you're a professional sports videographer, is overkill in most cases. The Hero 9 features better 4K and 5K video than the Hero 8, as well as improved battery life. While it still uses the GP1 processor, its hyper-smooth stabilization is still top-notch, inferior only to the Hero 10s and Hero 11s. It's also just as waterproof as the Hero 10, making it ideal for a wide variety of water sports and other outdoor activities. Moreover, the 1.4-inch, front-facing color display makes it a great vlogging camera. Number 4. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta360 One RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization, buttery smooth image stabilization, no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. No editing needed. 48MP photos, 6K widescreen video and active HDR video, thanks to a new sensor, capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos and vibrant HDR action videos. Invisible selfie stick, Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. So, which camera are you team? Debate in the comments. If this saved you from a bad buy, crush that like button, share with your adventure squad, and subscribe. We're testing underwater cameras next. All links in description, and trust me, next video? Game over for overpriced gear.